All right, we are here in Newmarket, Ontario at Coag Brewing and Grinding with Dawson. He is the Canadian importer for Dalla Corte, and we're here to take a look at the new Evolution machine.
Espresso machines haven't evolved basically since the 50s and 60s.
Okay.
So what we're doing now, or what Dalla Corte has done, is evolved Dalla Corte to the new level, which is consistency, temperature control, and boiler pressure, boiler temperature, and even to the point of being able to interact with your machine off-site. So if you're a franchise chain, you're able to communicate with every machine. If there's a change in the coffee or the coffee profile, you can go to each individual machine electronically and change the profiles and pours and temperature settings. So,
Oh really? It's all hooked up through a network?
yeah.
Façanha, vem no coco balançar. Eu vou cantar coco no coco, ninguém me ganha. Vou mostrar minha façanha.
All right, now in regards to maintenance, with Dalla Corte, what maintenance is offered to the individuals who pick up the Evolution?
So the beautiful thing about Dalla Corte is that the technician can come in, you call him for a service call, he walks in with his little palmer, walks in, plugs in, and he can manually check, he can test the whole machine,